Yeah, bonjour tout le monde. C'est la troisième fois que je fais ça. Tried this 3 times. It didn't work, but we just keep going. Une journée assez banale, if you need some help here. Remember, you got to use passé composé or imparfait if there's no exact time period, and it could be construed as was verbing. It would be imparfait. If it's a action, like a one-time action, you'd have passé composé. So, all right, and try it yourself. Pause the video, try it yourself, and then if you mess up, then just watch the video and we'll learn. So, okay, voilà. Vincent et sa sœur. We had go to the cinema because there has a good film. So, probably Vincent and his sister went to the cinema because there was a good film. So, they went, that's an action. Sont allés. Avec un S, parce que Vincent et sa sœur, 2 personnes, et parce qu'il y avait. There was, remember, il y a is the present, il y avait, there was a good film. Natasha, a girl. Rester is to stay at the house, à la maison, parce qu'elle was, well, be tired, so that's an adjective, so probably she was tired. Elle était fatiguée, and she probably stayed at the house. Makes sense to be just one time. She stayed et resté, sorry. Et avec un E parce qu'elle est une fille. Donc, Natasha est restée à la maison parce qu'elle était très fatiguée. Or était fatiguée. 3. Snowing when Antoine to go market. Okay, so snow, Antoine. Create the sentence in your mind there. Was snowing. We don't have a specific period, so probably just was snowing. Il neigeait. Oops. Il neigeait. Quand Antoine went to the market. Et allait. Usually allait is in the passé composé, unless it's just, like you were doing something when something else happened, but most of the time, it's like it was snowing when. After con, usually have the passé composé. So, Antoine est allé, he's a guy, au marché. That works. Miriam et Alicia, 2 personnes, ate a lot, or ate a lot because they had hunger. All right, so we're probably thinking they ate a lot one time. So, ont mangé. Parce qu'elle, and they were having hunger. A-V-A-I-E-N-T, yep. Elles avaient faim, so they ate a lot because they... Oh, I need the beaucoup, don't I? Ont beaucoup. Désolé. Beaucoup. Ont beaucoup mangé, and the beaucoup is right between the ont and the manger. So, Mariam et Alicia ont beaucoup mangé parce qu'elles avaient faim. And numéro 5, quand maman et tante Agathe rentraient is to return. It's a Vandertramp one. So when they returned, sont rentrées. And les filles féminines et pluriel S, I clean the rug. So when mom and Aunt Agathe returned, probably I was cleaning the rug. Makes sense because usually with the, when they did something, I was doing something else. Nettoyer. Makes sense. Unless it said like I cleaned the rug immediately or all of a sudden. There's no key word to signify that there was a direct action. So just I was cleaning the rug. Je nettoyais le tapis. And mon petit ami et moi to wait for in front of the cafe when the professor talks to us. Okay. So my boyfriend and I wait in front of the cafe when the professor talks to us. Probably because the con indicates it's the passé composé. So le prof nous parlait. We're going to use le prof as the subject. So a. And then parler. So the professor talked to us. So what was going on? When the professor talked to us, my boyfriend and I attendions. We were waiting in front of the cafe when the prof talked to us. Hope that helps. Merci.